This is a demonstration of the Financial Planning Interactive Compensation Worksheet that comes with the purchase of the 2009 Financial Planning Salary Survey. In order to begin, just type in the URL provided on page 3 of the introduction and decide if you want to open the file and use it temporarily, or if you want to save it to your computer so that you can save any of the calculations you've completed. I've already saved it to my computer, so I'm going to go ahead and just open from there. When the salary survey opens, you'll be prompted to input the password that you're provided, also in the introduction on page 3. When the file opens, you'll notice that a security warning does come up. There is active content, they're called macros, and it's the programming that makes the tool work. So you're going to want to enable them by clicking on Options, and then you'll see a box that just explains this information. Click Enable this content and tell it OK. If this box pops up, then you've done everything correctly. If it does not pop up, then you have still not enabled macros. You're going to want to go up to the Developer tab, go over to Macro Security on the left, and then at this point you either want to disable all macros with notification, so that gives you the box to enable them, or you just want to enable all macros, which is that last choice there. If this still doesn't work, you're going to want to go ahead and re-download the file, but try .xls instead of .xlsm. Once you've established that macros are working, you can just click to start the wizard. It will unpack the data for a few seconds and then pop up a step-by-step guide. For purposes of illustration, I'm going to go ahead and run a position real quick for you. I'm going to do a senior financial planner in Colorado with 31 or more employees in the firm, serving 301 or more client households, AUM range of, let's say, 100 million, with a revenue of 1 to 3. Now, when you reach this box, you will need to refer to the printed report for the information it's requesting. In this case, I'm going to skip this step, so I'm going to input NA, which is what you'll want to do whenever you want to skip it. And then I'm going to tell the program that the individual I want will have a bachelor's degree and a CLU designation. Hit Finish, and it'll automatically run these calculations. Here you can see your custom results. This is a customized salary, bonus, and incentive range for a senior financial planner, demonstrating the low and the high end. And this is based on the data which is located below, the details. So here you can see exactly what was input into this calculation. On the far left, you can see it tells you what your inputs were, as well as the 25th and the 75th percentile for each of those specific inputs. Below that are individual characteristics, including experience or any of the designations, certifications, higher education, that sort of thing. If you want to know exactly what calculations are used, you can refer to the printed worksheet, which is in the back of the printed report. From here, you can go ahead and click to start the wizard again, or if you want to keep a copy of this for your records, you can go ahead and print, and it will print out exactly the custom section and the details. And that's it.